Hey.
Hey.
This is Alice. Who do you play in the show? This is
Sorry,
Alice G.
Alice?
This is Alice Ripley. She's fierce. No, this
I'm
is.
my biggest fan
Oh,
of Alice Ripley. Yeah.
this is Alice G.
Yeah.
Who do you play in the show, Alex?
I play Nurse Wilson in the show.
And how would you describe Nurse Wilson?
Well, first she comes off as kind of a bit of a bee. A little bit of a bee.
Oh, bitch. We can.
Oh, can we
Why
say
don't you?
that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
Bitch. Oh, I heard. Go on. I heard
She's
the
a bit
best
of a
thing.
bitch. She comes across very unfeeling, hating most people, including the elderly, which she takes care of every day. Takes care of Lillian and also works in a hospital. But deep inside, I think she has a...
They don't need to know deep
What?
inside. Oh, okay,
They
go
want
on.
to know deep
Okay,
inside.
then that's what
Of
she
course,
said.
deep inside, I think... deep inside, I think she has a warm, fuzzy interior. You don't think so? It's
Sure.
up for debate. I think she does.
Sure.
What?
Although, yeah.
It's a great
Oh,
word.
apparently we're gonna cut mine out. I forgot we're in Canada.
Corey,
We censor
okay,
stuff here.
Corey. Okay, we'll say goodbye. Come see 7 Stories.
Yes, October 19th.
Be good.